Alright guys, so here is your handstand workout. My name is Jake, and we're basically going to go through some of the key exercises to build strength and stability, to strengthen through the forearms, find mobility through the wrist, strong shoulders, integrated core, and this is something you can add to the end of your handstand class to really fatigue the body, ready for your next handstand workout to really build strength. Or it can also be something that you modify and it could be really good as a warm-up. So let's get to it. We're going to start in the hollow body. Make sure the lower back is really grounded. We're hugging inner thighs, pointing toes, extend the arms overhead. And this first one we're just going to hold for 20 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Continue, elevate through the shoulders, point the fingertips. Hug the glutes, hug inner thighs for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rise up, plant the hands, light external rotation, draw the chin to chest, and then hug the chest to the thighs as we lift the butt off the ground. And compress. Lower down, find a hollow body position just for a breath. Hold. Rise back up with inhale, compress. And we're going to go for 10. We'll call that 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So every time we come up, how much can we squeeze the chest to the thighs, point the toes. As we lower down in hollow body, really round lower back, hug in for 3, for 2, for 1. Sit the butt down, cross the legs, roll over, plant hands, tabletop. Alright, I'm going to face forwards for this one. Shoulder width apart, hands come under, spread fingers, and what we want to do is lift the palm of the hand, keeping the first set of knuckles grounded. So we lift the palms up, shoulder stays stacked on top of wrist, and then we lower down. So I'll show you that from the side as well. Lift the palms up. First set of knuckles stay grounded. Don't allow the shoulders to come back. If they do, just lightly step the knees forwards, and that'll just make it a little bit easier. So we'll go for 20, 19, 18, 17. You'll see the rest of my body is rigid. The hips aren't moving, the head isn't moving. It's just the hands. Firing up the forearms for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck the toes. And what we're going to do is take the butt up to the sky, draw the chin to chest, shoulders over wrist, and we're going to come into some shoulder strokes. So allow the shoulders to droop down, to drop, the head is heavy, and then elevate through the shoulders. Imagine you're pressing the mat away, you're squeezing the ears into the biceps. And then relax, release, drop the head down, and then elevate for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the knees down, take the hands to the sky, extend through the fingertips. Look up to the sky, and then as you extend through the fingertips, really squeeze the inner arms to the ears, and then create a fist. As you create a fist, really squeeze, 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 and then extend. We'll go for 20, 19, 18, 17. Keep going, and the main focus is on the squeezing, the crunching of the fist to really fire up the forearms for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plant the hands either side of the knees, and then we're going to come into a YogaKoh prep. So we draw the knees into chest, round upper back, protract through the upper back, and then make sure the hips are in line with the shoulders. We don't want to stick the butt up. We want to keep them in line here. Now, option to stay here, or option to draw one heel into butt, lower down, and we'll switch for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Plant the hands. Now this time, instead of coming to the first set of knuckles that we did, this time we're going to come onto the fingertips. So same as before, maybe you need to walk the knees a little bit forward because it's more difficult. Round through upper back, and then lift up fingertips. Lower down. For 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plant the hands, tuck the toes, shoulders on top of wrists, butt to the sky. And then we're going to elevate through the shoulders, really press through the palms to the sky, and then release, soften shoulders, crown the head to the ground. And then shrug up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, hands to the sky, extend for 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 11, 12. Went the wrong way. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plant the hands just in front of the knees. Draw chin to chest, round upper back, low Handstand Prep. Hold. And then draw one heel into butt, release, and then switch for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Whew. So that's that. So that's one round. Option to do 2 rounds, 3 rounds, especially if you're adding this to the end of your practice after you've done your handstand training. I really advise you, as you get stronger and stronger, add more reps, make it more difficult, add more rounds, and have fun. Yeah, that's it.